Jan is an open source chatbot alternative that runs 100% offline on your computer and provides 10 times more productivity with customizable AI assistants, global hotkeys, and inline AI. It has an open AI equivalent API server which can be hosted locally and used as a drop-in replacement with compatible apps. It also has a mobile app coming soon with seamless integration into your mobile workflows with some elegant features. So we're going to dive right into this here. This app is called Jan, as I've said, and if this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to download it right here for my Mac, but as you can see, you can also download it for Windows and for Linux. I'm going to download the first model it's suggesting, so that would be the Llama 3.2 1B Instruct Q8. So that's about 1.23 gigabytes. I'm just going to wait for this to download. Okay, so now the model has been downloaded. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I've turned off my Wi-Fi and I'm going to enter a prompt in here. For example, I'm going to go with, what is a large language model? Okay, cool. So a large language model is a type of AI designed to process and understand human language. Cool. So as you can see here, it's telling me the token speed as well. So how quickly it's actually generating this output. If you want to change the theme, you can always go with a darker themed, which is what I prefer. As you can see here in the sidebar, you've got all the settings and different model providers, some cloud models as well. If you have an API key that you would like to connect and use that. And as you can see, we're getting results here and it's still working, even though there's no connection to the Wi-Fi. So if you've got some tasks or documents you want to upload into a large language model and you want to make sure all that information, as in your inputs and outputs, stay locally on your device, then I would say Jan is a great alternative to a few of the other ones out there. It looks like it works pretty quickly and I do like the user interface as well. Please make sure you liked, comment, and subscribed if you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to chat to ChatGPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking and speaking, then head over to my Instagram and drop me a DM and you'll get a response from ChatGPT. Now you can use this just like ChatGPT and the responses you get will be a lot more concise and actionable, sort of similar to these videos. So if you like these videos, make sure you head over to Instagram if you have any messages you'd like to send. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.